Milwaukee 7 1/4 fuel circ saw. If you're looking for a saw that will do anything from docking your basic studs to checkouts to LVLs all day, every day, this is your beast. We're going to go jump on site now and put it through its paces. The cutting depth is 64 mil as you see it right now. Then at 45 degrees, it's 47 mil deep, with a max bevel capacity of 50 degrees. One of the key takeaways from this saw is why would you want to go on site and have to carry a 240 volt unit just in case? It has so much brunt, this saw. It's got a cracking rafter hook here on the top, so you don't have to drop the thing on the ground all the time. Nice convenient safety trigger. One flick and your base is down, which has also got really good indentations and markings on the inside for your depth. Then at the front for your bevel, one flick of the knob, bevel set. Also got really good, not just printed, but indentations for when you're running your fence. Over a couple of weeks, we really did cover just about every job over 4 different job sites with this saw. It really is a cracking saw. So if you're looking for a saw that's going to cover absolutely every need for you on site, I reckon this is the beast. Get into one of our stores and check it out. Jump into a trade night maybe, or jump online at totaltools.com.au.